The rollout of COVID-19 vaccines is critical to these Australians.
Us older people really want everyone vaccinated because we're the ones at most risk.
The politics behind it, less important.
I'm disappointed to see them throwing mud at each other.
By the end of today, around 750,000 vaccine doses are expected to have been administered across the country, far below an earlier target of having 4 million doses in Australian arms by now. A shortfall the federal government largely blames on international supply problems.
We've received some doses from overseas, but frankly, the contract to deliver 3.8 million doses has become 700,000.
No one made them set that timetable. Scott Morrison said we were at the front of the queue when it came to vaccines. That just wasn't true.
The slow pace is again causing tension between the Commonwealth and the states, with Queensland warning its vaccine supplies are running low and arguing it can't yet lift restrictions in aged care centres despite Brisbane's lockdown coming to an end.
Unfortunately, they're necessary because only a third of aged care residents have been vaccinated and almost no aged care workers have been vaccinated so far.
It's not just Labor states criticising the federal government's performance.
We are very much doing our bit as a state, and if anyone's lagging, it's the Commonwealth.
The New South Wales Premier offering to step in to speed things up.
Once we've completed the 300,000 we've been asked to do, that we will have the capacity to do tens of thousands extra every week to support what the Commonwealth is doing. Otherwise, we won't get to the October deadline.
The Commonwealth is open to that suggestion and insists it will meet its deadline of offering all Australians their first vaccine dose by the end of October. That goal depends on the domestic production of the AstraZeneca vaccine, which so far hasn't ramped up to the levels the government said it would.
We urge Australians to get both jabs and to do the right thing, but it is going to be an exercise in patience.
Patiently waiting for life to return to normal. Jade Macmillan, ABC News, Canberra.